up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my mammy's face. I'm going to be doing her makeup because I wanted to do a video for those of you who are a little bit older than I am. So I wanted to do a video on how to apply makeup for mature skin. I hope this helps. Leave your comments down below and smash the like button for me already getting started. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to be mixing in 2 of the primers. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty and the L'Oreal Illumi Glotion, and this is the darkest color they have, and it's color 904 because I don't think they had colors on here. Well, it's 904. There you go. So I'm going to be taking, thanks Mom. I'm going to be taking 1 pump, let's do 3 pumps of Fenty Beauty, because mature skin kind of has a tendency to be on the drier side and we want to hydrate it as much as possible. I've already told her to wash her face and stuff. And I'm going to be taking about a squeeze of the, whatchamacallit, the Glotion. So this much, I'm going to mix them together and then we're going to apply it on the face. Going to be doing is taking this L'Oreal True Match in the color of orange. I like using this color because it has more of a salmon color to it other than a bright orange like the LA girl that usually peeks through your makeup. So I'm just going to be applying this where her dark marks are, which she typically gets around the chin. You modify as needed to your liking. And then you go ahead and lightly blend that in. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying my favorite foundation, which is the Kat Von D in Deep 71. We so happen to be the same exact color. So I'm going to apply that, a couple pumps on my hand, and then you're going to add as much or as less as needed. And then I'm going to be taking my S30 brush by, who is this? Coastal Scent, dipping that into the foundation and buffing that into the skin. Kat Von D likes to be buffed. She likes to be buffed. Now I'm going to be taking the same beauty blender, and with mature skin, you're going to want to, actually this Sasha Buttercup blends into skin very, very well. So you're going to dab that underneath the eyes. Not a lot, because powders tend to bring out all the wrinkles in the face. I'm just saying, for me, I didn't say you had wrinkles.
Well, you talking about brings out all the wrinkles?
It does. I'm trying to educate. Just saying.
Okay. Well, I'm just telling you.
So do a little bit, and then where do you get oily? You get oily in the T-zone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so I'm basically placing this powder where she gets the most oily at, and then after I'm done with that, you brush it off immediately, because if you bake, it brings out all the creases in your face. Just saying.
And I'm just telling you.
So I'm using my, I told y'all I gotta get used to this, my S43 brush. All the brushes are from Coastal Scents. They are professional brushes. You brush them away, the powder away immediately, because you don't want the eyes to start getting creasy and the powder to start bringing up all of the, what did I say?
Wrinkles and creases.
The wrinkles and creases and crinklets and all that other stuff.
You better glad I love you.
Yeah, I love you too. This Black Radiance True Cream, and I'm going to use this to contour. Now the next thing I'm going to do is take this Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer, and this is in the color of D33, and I'm going to conceal under the eyes. Concealing under the eyes is really up to you on how bright or how subtle you want to go to. So since she's old school, we're gonna go with just a little bright but not full Amazonian glow. glam. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna take this underneath the eyes, and you don't need a lot, and you're just going to do a little bit. Boy, I think I'm about out. I need some more. You're gonna do your tree right there, and a little bit on the chin. So you're only highlighting in the place where the light hit. Blend it out, as you can tell, where the brighter areas are in the face. And I'm going to be setting that Lock-It concealer with a little bit of Sacha Buttercup on a fluffy brush, and this is a S27 brush. And I'm just gonna tap off the excess, and I'm going to lightly brush that on the areas where I put it, because remember I said you do not want to bake with mature skin. That's how you get the lines. Just saying. So I'm gonna go with our natural brow, and first thing I'm going to do is that I'm tracing it out. So for those of you guys who are new, my favorite eye primer is Bella Pierre. I've been using it for years. So I like to put this on the eye with my finger, just because I can give a nice, soft, gentle touch. She seems to be quite sensitive these days. How about you?
I know you don't, man.
And then once I blend that out with my finger, I like to go back in with the Kat Von D translucent powder. And where's my brush? Give me a second. And I like to take a fluffy brush and basically take the powder, and then we're gonna set it in there, because Bella Pierre can be a bit oily, but gosh darn it, it's great. You want Instagram or everyday?
I'm going to say Instagram.
Okay, we going with Instagram, so I guess we're gonna do a cut crease. So the first color I'm going to take is going to be this color right here from Juvia's Place, and that's in the color Taza from the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm going to use this for basically the whole look. So I'm going to take my S06 brush, and then I'm going to hold this, Mom. And I'm going to lift up the eyeball, and this is how you get in there in the crease for hooded eyes or for mature skin. You're going to lift up the eyeball lid, and then you're going to apply your eyeshadow. I'm going to go into with the same palette. It's going to be Feast, and that's this brown color right here, which actually is a whole lot lighter on camera. There you go. This dark brown color right here. And I'm going to be taking a S42 brush, which is this nice tapered brush right here. And then I'm going to apply that inside of the crease, just to deepen it up some more so we have a nice gradient going. And I'm going to be using my same Bella Pierre eye primer and a S14 brush, and I'm going to lift up the lid, and I'm going to start to sketch out where I want to cut her crease at. Let's see, what color do I want to use and what would look nice? You know what? Let's take it up a notch. I'm going to go into this color right here, which is, I can't even say it. This one. This color right here. And I'm going to apply that where I have cut the crease. Hold this, Mom. And my brush is wet. This is a flat brush, and this is the S20. And then I'm going to start to pat that on where I cut line. I am going to take the color, I can't even see it, but this red color right here. And then for the brow bone highlight and intercontour, I'm going to go into this nice peach color. We have applied the eyeliner, so what I've done was raise it up this way so I can really get that nice wing going. And I've already told her to apply this Total Tease by CoverGirl mascara, and she is going to be applying this L'Oreal Paris Silk Is Me, is that it? And Silk Is Me in the color Plum in her waterline. I do not like doing people's waterline, it makes me nervous, so I make her do her own. And then the lashes that I'm going to apply is the D09. Looks like this. And then right here, I don't know why she still wanted to do Instagram, but that's what she wanted and that's what she got. And the lips are Lips by Victoria, and this is the color Imani. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and am I not my mother's twin? And until next time, I'll see y'all in the woods in the next video.